I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video, let us learn how to write quadratic equation in standard form from given zeros. Question here is, find the quadratic equation in the form of f of x equals to ax squared plus bx plus c for set of zeros as 5 plus minus 3 square root 2 divided by 2. As you know, quadratic formula is the one which can be used to find the roots of quadratic equation. If the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c, I can write x as equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, right? Divided by 2a. So that is how we get radical roots of quadratic equation. Now let's compare the general formula with the roots given to us. So if you compare, what do you notice? Well, let me first write 3 square root 2 within the square root as such, and then we can do a better comparison. So what we can do here is we can write this as 5 plus minus. If you take 3 inside the square root, it becomes 3 square times 2, which is already there, divide by 2, right? Now 3 square is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, so I could write this as 5 plus minus square root of 18 divided by 2. Now let us compare coefficients of x square x and the constant c with the given values in the root. So you'll find that 2a in the denominator should be equals to 2. So we can write from here that 2a is equals to 2, and that means a is equals to 1 for us, right? As far as minus b is concerned, it is 5. So what we get here is minus b is equals to 5, and therefore b is equals to minus 5. b square minus 4ac should be equal to 18, right? So we have b square minus 4ac, that should be equal to 18. Since we know b and a, we can find c from this equation. So let us substitute the value of a and b in this equation to evaluate c. So b is minus 5, so I'll write minus 5 for b square minus 4 times a is 1, c equals to 18. Now we can solve for c, right? So we have 25 minus 4c equals to 18, or 25 minus 18 equals to 4c, right? So that gives us 25 minus 18 is 7. So we get 7 divided by 4 is equal to c. So with that we get the value of c also. So c for us is equals to 7 over 4. Once we find the values of a, b and c, we can write the function in standard form. So we now have function f of x as equals to ax squared, a is 1, so 1x squared is x squared, plus bx, b is minus 5, minus 5x, plus c, c is 7 over 4. So we get plus 7 over 4. Now this equation should be written in standard form without fraction. So let's multiply everything by 4. So we get 4x squared minus 20x plus 7. So f of x equals to 4x squared minus 20x plus 7 represents a quadratic equation in standard form whose roots will be 5 plus minus 3 square root 2 divided by 2. I hope all the steps are absolutely clear to you. Thank you and all the best.